In today's video, I'm going to teach you delete multiple products, bulk delete. If you're cleaning up your catalog, retiring seasonal items, or removing test entries. Bulk delete is the fastest way to tidy things up. Because this action permanently removes products, I'll walk you through it slowly and clearly so you can proceed with confidence. Start by opening your dashboard and heading to the Products area. This takes you to the Product List view, where you can see your catalog laid out in rows. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct store or workspace and that any filters you've applied match what you actually intend to remove. A quick glance now can save headaches later. Next, locate the bulk action controls. Depending on your layout, you'll either see a toolbar near the top of the product list or a small three-dot menu positioned above or below the list. Open that menu and choose Delete or Delete Selected. This option is designed to act on the products that are currently selected in your list, so double-check that what you see on screen reflects your intention. If you're unsure, pause and review the product names and counts before moving forward. When you're ready, press Delete. You'll be asked to confirm the action. Read the confirmation message carefully. It's there to remind you that this is permanent and cannot be undone. If anything looks off, simply cancel and review your selection. If everything is correct, confirm the deletion. The system will remove all selected products from your catalog, and they won't appear in your product list anymore. A few tips to keep things smooth and safe. Perform bulk delete during a quiet window so teammates aren't making changes at the same time, and make sure your account has the necessary permission to delete products. If you need a record for auditing or reporting, consider exporting your product list before you delete, so you have a snapshot of what was removed. Also, be aware that deleting products can affect any places where those items were referenced, such as links or featured sections, so plan to update or remove those references afterwards. That's all there is to it. Go to Products in your dashboard, find the Bulk Action toolbar or the three-dot menu, choose Delete or Delete Selected, then confirm the deletion. Used carefully, this simple workflow keeps your catalog clean and up to date without tediously removing items one by one. Thanks for watching, and happy housekeeping.